Alright guys, take two. Try it again. Don't know what that is. It was here's a key. Beautiful day out. It was about 60 degrees, sunny. Um, Not sure what this is. If anybody is, let me know. It's about the size of, well, it's just a little bigger than a nickel, a little smaller than a quarter. I thought it was a coin, but then until I got it up. It's got a little box on the bottom by a 2 or a triangle. And then the back is just smooth. So I don't know where that was. It like an old logging site. So maybe it's something to do with that. It was deep, in the middle of the woods, so a nice buckle. I like that. This is take 2, by the way, so I don't know. 5 rounds. Oh, modern day pendant. What this is super smooth on one side. You know, I've found a million globs of lead and slag and stuff like that, but this one just seems so different. The back is so smooth. You can almost see fingerprints in it in the back, like it was a piece of chewing gum. They rolled it up, or a piece of Play-Doh. See, and that the black actually comes off. It was black everywhere, and I rubbed it and came off. On this side, same thing, except it's not smooth on this side. Um, Almost stabbed myself taking it in the ground for that. I was scooping, the dirt like this, and then all of a sudden I seen, oh, that's a knife. Just missed my hand. Got a nice little lure. It's pretty cool. She's an old one. Okay. Um, Old school sinker. Uh, let's see. You see all the clad? I'm not going to count that. It's a lot of clad, a lot of holes. Um, I thought this was nicer than it is. It rang up as silver, and I wasn't sure out in the field until I got home and cleaned it up. And you can see right there where the silver plating came off. Mm. And it's an adult ring. It's not like a kid's ring. I mean, it's loose on my ring finger. Why do they make fake adult rings? I don't get it. Why wouldn't you have a real ring? Now, I can tell you this. I think this is pretty old, but that's about it. All right. And then this middle of the woods pull tab gold signal, and I sure as shit I thought it was gold. And at least some of it. You see the real shiny. Thought that was at least gold. You can see the pin still on the back. It's definitely a brooch, small brooch, but after cleaning it up, it doesn't look like it's gonna cut it for the gold. Looks like I see a few flakes on there. I mean, obviously some of it is not intended to be like the other. Like some of it's colder than the other. But still cool. Looked like there might have been a stone in the middle of it. It's bent now. It's supposed to be. I might try to flatten it. I don't know. I might break it if I do. So pretty cool. I was very excited about this. I think that's about it. All right. This is a club hunt, and we're running out of time for club hunts or any other hunts. So getting close to the end of the year. Thanks for watching. Bye.